Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the low-waisted pants in Berry Avenue. So if you're looking for the perfect low-waisted pants to upgrade your style in Berry Avenue, this is the tutorial. I'll show you exactly where and how you can get them so you can rock that trendy Y2K or streetwear or its chic aesthetic. So what you need to do is just go to the avatar and in here click on the pants category and tap on pants tab, and then you can search for low waisted in the search bar. Hit on enter. Okay, after that you'll see there are lots of low-waisted style pants that you can acquire, or you can choose from here which one that you think fits with your top, the one that you are currently using. You can just try it on and choose which one the best for you. Okay, I think I'm going to just go with this one's right here. Then you can just tap on done, and here is the final look. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.